my update for getting the 77 Shovelhead started after 9 months of sitting. The other day I just cleaned off all the pollen and tree debris that had accumulated over the 9 months, and then I sprayed some starter fluid in the carburetor and choked it and kicked it over. It started like second kick, kept running, seems to be going pretty good. I put it up on the lift and today replaced the fork boots that were rotting off, so I got some brand new fork boots on there. Mostly just so that I always remember, I don't have to look it up again. The pinch bolts on narrow glide 39 millimeter triple trees are 30 to 35 foot-pounds of torque, so I torqued those to 33. And then additionally I wanted to mess around with putting the lepera seat on, so I actually connected the rear seat, so I had to drop the wheel down to do that, to get up, because it's got 2 holes in the bottom of the steel base plate, and you have to put the screws up through the bottom of the fender. It's kind of a difficult, pain in the butt thing to do, but did that. And to do that I made a little jig. I'll show you guys. You can see here it's still connected. It's just a piece of cardboard that came off of the fork boots, and what I did was I cut it into 2 pieces, and then I lined those 2 pieces up and cut holes in them for where the holes are on the bottom of the frame on the seat, and then I bolted the cardboard to the seat and aligned them so they're square, and then I taped them together, and then I had a relationship between the 2 holes, and then I put one bolt in, lined the other one up as good as possible on the bottom of the seat, put the seat where I wanted it, and I made this little tab that I taped to the fender. And then I unbolted the seat off of it, and it was still taped to the fender. I laid it down, and then that showed me where the holes needed to go on the fender. And then from there I just take a little punch the holes, and then drill it with my sheet metal drill bit, which if you don't have one of these for doing sheet metal, I highly recommend them. They're kind of expensive, they're like 40 bucks, but they make really nice professional looking holes in sheet metal. And so that's how she's currently standing. I've kind of got a bug to change the gas tank and maybe some other stuff. I'm considering different options, maybe if I can find a larger than 2-gallon Wassell style. I've got some narrow bobs, split tanks off of another Shovelhead that I might put on there. I don't know. If you guys have ideas, shoot them to me in the comment section. And then the front end, I kind of want to get one of those Visionary Cycles narrowed 41 millimeter triple trees with shrouds, and get an old FL front end, put it on the narrow triple trees. But what I'd really like is to do that on a 19-inch front wheel with mag wheels, sort of like these mag wheels, 9-spoke mag wheels, like what I've got in the FXR, a 19-inch, but I want those ones that are black, and then the ridges are still exposed aluminum, but then they're black powder coated on the inside. So I'm kind of in the market to do that, switch that front and rear, put on a narrowed 41 millimeter front end. If you guys know of any manufacturers that make them that are narrowed but not quite so narrow as the Visionary Cycle products, because those ones you can't even put anything but a spool hub 21 on because they're too narrow. But those are some of the things I'm thinking about doing, as well as maybe modifying the frame, because the back of my frame is kind of janky. But let me know in the comments what you think, and see you next time.